Hello everyone, this is Carissa from the Dragon's Gem, and I am here with you today with a mystery package. It's a mystery package because I don't know what the heck this is. I don't know where I got anything from that has a New York address. So we're just going to dive right in, and I'm going to figure it out. And you should see a window popping up, another screen popping up here in a moment that has my information on here. Well, they've addressed it to the dragon, so they got it kind of correct. I'm a dragoness, thank you. Let's see, that is the back. I'm starting to come to expect these little plastic boxes. So now when people don't send them in these, I'm unhappy. Oh, good thing this one was in one. Look, it's got a little bit of a cracked corner there. It has done its job and protected the treasure. Although really the tape is overkill. Just in case we didn't know this was for the dragon and not, you know, the cat or the dog. Well, you can't fault them for packaging it carelessly, because it's definitely very secure. After all of this, I really hope that these cabs are not in here rubbing up against each other, because then it's just wasted effort. But it looks like they might be in plastic bags, so that's good. Okay, I think that this order is going to be from gemsshop. I think gemsshop1. Ah, they're all in one bag. Shame on them. All of this, they could have wrapped them in between and separated them and protected them so that the stones weren't clacking against each other and grinding against each other and risking chipping and damaging each other. Feels okay-ish. That's okay. So, these were all labeled as labradorite, but I do believe these two are going to be spectralite. Let me polish them up for a second. So looking at the flash in the camera and looking at the flash in my hand, I'm really pleased with this. It's got a little bit of a rough spot right here. It's a little pit that they should have just ground it down a little bit further, but they didn't. You can kind of see it there. It's that little black section there. That's just a pit in the stone. Sad. There's the back. But yeah, it's a lovely silver flash with little spots of rainbow. I'm pleased with it. The edges are, for the most part, smooth. There's a little bit of roughness to these edges, to this edge right here. But it'll be okay when I put it in a setting, when I wrap it. It should be okay. And then there's this piece. Polish that a second. Bring that up closer for you or zoom in. There we go. So this is another one that I think may be spectralite rather than labradorite, because it's got that grayness to the stone, and labradorite tends to be darker. But really pretty. So it does have some black marks on it, but those are just inclusions in the stone. The stone itself is smooth. This is a little bit on the thinner side for a cabochon. To compare it with this one, actually it doesn't look that different than that one. I'm used to getting them a little thicker like this. Come on, focus. It's got a really lovely golden flash along with that dark navy blue and just hints of rainbow around the center there. Just the tiniest hint though. Mostly it's a blue and gold. And I don't spot any damage done to this one. So in all, it's a pretty good haul. So just the 3 cabochons, 2 spectralite and 1 labradorite. And I'm going to have to look up what I paid for them since I was unable to really tell where the package came from. I couldn't prepare in advance and get that information ready, because unfortunately the seller did not upload the tracking information. So that information should be popping up right about now for you. And if it would interest you to have something made with one of these stones, please get in touch with me. I would absolutely love to do a custom piece for someone. Prices vary depending on the cost of the stones and the labor that would be required for what you're looking for. Shoot me a message here or on Instagram or on Etsy. There will be links down below in the comments or the description down below. Make sure that you follow me so that you can be notified when I post new things for sale in Etsy or on Instagram. Right now, I don't have one set place that I sell. Some stuff I list for sale on Instagram. Some things are on Etsy. Most of it is being held for a festival that I'll be selling at in Hot Springs, Arkansas on October 26th. I'll be selling at Pagan Pride Festival. Everything that doesn't sell there is going to get uploaded to my Etsy, and from then on, things will get posted to Etsy and to Instagram. But if you see something that you want to buy, please let me know and we will work something out, because I will not turn down a sale. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.